So this is going to be our first project we're going to do in this training. So we're going to design a social media flyer for Beaver's Kitchen. We are using 1:1. So we have two resources here: a plate of food and an arrow. So you can notice that this arrow has a shadow. To get this shadow is simple. First, you will just go click on the plate of food, then go to your shadow and tug it on. If you are off it will disappear. You just tug it on, then you go to your blur, increase your blur, take it to white, then click on black, reduce it back, reduce the opacity, then it will be like this. All right, reduce the opacity so that the shadow be like this. So I've already written the text that I'll be using there. So the next thing you need to do is just go and get your shape. Click on your shape. Now click on your alignment tool, toggle the magnet on so that it will give you an alert when it has reached there. So it will give you an alert, shows that red line. Click on your shape again and select this other shape. We're going to change the color of this one, or we'll be making use of gradients. What I mean is that gradients helps you to combine two or more color, either or two of or the same color, maybe the light and the dark this thing with the light and the dark aspect of the same color. So we're going to do our gradient starting afresh. So we'll click here and go to the food and select a color using our picker tool. So then click on this one, this is our picker tool, then select a lighter part of the food. Then the last one, make it more lighter. Yes, yeah, something like this. So this, you can see that this is our gradient. So you can do it, and when you do it carefully you have something like this. But if you cannot do your gradient, just go and use orange for this design. So the next thing you're gonna do now, just to front the food, these are the food will come forward, you can see. So now we're going to add our text. We're going to do something like delicious, but we'll be making use of deli first. Deli. So go to our font and we're going to select build tidings. All right, build tidings. Yes, let's go with the bold first. Oh, this board is not going well, so select the normal one. Now increase the and enlarge it, I mean. So take it to back. Yeah, then make this one short so that the delicious spelling will be complete. All right, so you can see that white cannot go on white, so we're going to change the color of this to orange. I'll use our gradient. All right, now use our gradient to select the color we're going to use. So but I'm using my picker tool right now to select it from the food directly. So you take it to back, something like this. You can see it's not that hard, very simple. So we're going to place our alignment bar so that the spacing that I observe in one side will be equal all round. So you already know what alignments is, so we're gonna adjust it a little bit. Adjust it. Okay, let's enlarge it, then adjust it a little bit. Next thing, go to your shapes and select cycle, then go to your color, change it, use the picker tool to pick yellow and green, I mean. So then you go to your stroke, increase your stroke and put it to white, then take it to back. All right, when you take it to back, copy the shape again, repeat the same process, but now you are doing rectangle. Bring it down and increase the radius. All right, now you can see this thing is not balanced, so I'm going to shift everything upward using the alignment button. I place my line, then go to the side, carefully select them all, click on that button that is there at the ground level, then click on adjustment. This will enable you to move the ones you have selected without merging. All right, it can enable you to move, because sometimes when you merge you can't do some certain touch up at the end of the design. So but this, you can be able to move all the necessary ones without merging. Hope you understand what I'm saying. All right, then Then after that, if you want to merge, you can do something like this. Then you merge your objects, but I don't want to merge now. But if you don't want to merge, just select them all and move them like that, in that manner. Hope you understand this process. All right, from here we're gonna add our text right now. So go to our text, then we'll write Beaver's Kitchen on it. All right, Beaver's Kitchen. Beaver's Kitchen, place it. Then build tidings, as the font. So go to our color and change it to yellow. Yes, from there we need to write just, yeah, then go to remove background, remove it, and go to color and change it to, yeah, orange. That's nice. So this is our text. I took this quote from this side, but you can select anyone you want. In fact, let me write a quote for them: motto of quality food and drink. That's the motto: home of quality food and drink. That's the motto of Beaver's Kitchen. So right now, this is our text. Now this place, I want you to listen carefully. When you click on your sticker, you are going to see this thing first. Now when you click on it, don't click on the mark tool, but just tap on the screen. Now because when you select it and you click on the mark tool, it's going to disappear, except if you select another sticker. But for that particular one, just put it like this, then click on the screen. It will still be there without disappearing. So now let's increase it, because this is a transparent light fade. Then we'll now take it to the back before the cycle, yeah, or after the cycle, I mean. Yeah, we'll place it there. All right, yeah, we'll place it there. Then you can see that it's well placed. So the next thing we're going to do now is this. I've written this one: taste the feeling. This is it. All right, taste the feeling. And I'm looking for a particular. Oh, I didn't write this. Okay, that means let's write order now. All right, it's a simple flyer you can do in 5 minutes. All right, so order now. Or you can say that I've used many fonts and I want it to be 3 maximum, so I'm going to make use of these fonts that I use for taste the feelings. All right, because you can see that I've used almost, this is the fourth one. So I'm going to copy this font, taste the feeling. But before then, let me clear the order now. Because the font for test the feeling is different from the font of delicious, different from the font of Beaver's Kitchen, and the font is different from the font of contact, and different from the font of the subtitle font. All right, so now I'm going to just copy this, okay, then delete it, then go and copy test the feeling and clear it and put order now. So the font of test the feeling will be the same font as order now. All right, good. Now the next font, let's change this one again, doing the same process. Oh, I discovered that it's not going well for the number, so just leave it as it. So this is all. Alright, and it's quite simple, but I discovered that it's a bit different from the one I did earlier in my gallery, so I'm going to make the correction right away. So first we're going to our gallery to select the particular resources that is missing. There's supposed to be 3 resources, not 2, I mean. So it's supposed to be a pot of food, a plate of food, that arrow icon, and this particular one. This is a leaf, but it's being blurred from Lightroom. I'm going to drop these resources like that. I'm going to put it at this side, then we'll take it to back, but then we'll go to our eraser and reduce the side. Are you getting me? We'll do it again. use this side so I can blend in well. Yeah, then put our arrow down here like this. So you can see it's now the same thing with what we have here. So this is all for this video, and thank you.